vlog, and today I'm going to tell you about the 3 new parrots that we bought. These are our 3 new parrots. We don't know their genders yet, but we know that they are super duper cute. They are the color of white and blue, and they are very friendly. At first they were very scared, but now they are very friendly. And we are very happy that we have 13 parrots now. And today when we came back from after shopping, Oreo wasn't in his cage. He flew out and he was sitting on a curtain. This is Oreo's cage. This is his front door. It was locked in this place. So there is a door right here, and you have to lock it so that Oreo can't come out of the hole. But Oreo opened the lock from his beak and flew out, went to the curtain and tried to find us, and we weren't there. So he was just roaming around all the time. Then when he came home, we were so stressed that we couldn't find him. And thankfully, we found him. He was sitting on the curtain. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye.